The following video shows how to establish a vertical reference for interior applications using the plane lock mode and beam plunge feature. How to place the laser with the wall mount at the first alignment point. How to place the HL760U receiver using the marking notch at the second alignment point. How to establish a safe vertical axis in plane lock mode and mark the required line positions using a second receiver or target plate. How to use beam plunge for 90-degree layout markings. Position the wall mount front edge with the attached HV302G at the first position and adjust the reading edge at the scale to the short mark above 0. Position the HL760U at the second direction mark with the photo cell at the bottom. Press the M button, select Plane Lock, and press the E button. Start PLX Plane Lock by pressing the E button again. The RC402N and HL760 displays show a flashing PL during the time the laser is searching and adjusting the beam to the on-grade position. When plane lock is complete, PL stops flashing. Using the second receiver's marking notches, mark the required line positions. As an alternative, take the green target and walk in the direction of the rotating or scanning beam and make the marks on the floor. Next, rotate the HV302G 90 degrees at the first alignment point. Press the M button, select Beam Plunge, and press the E button to start the automatic downwards movement of the plumb beam to the cross mark. Press the Manual button to stop the automatic beam movement. Then press the Up, Down, and Left, Right buttons to align the beam to the cross mark. Pressing the Manual button completes the alignment.